My gift is that we're together.
Luma, honey, there's something we need to discuss about the surprise.
Oh, is it here? Tell me.
They both forgot to buy Luma's Christmas gift.
Lulu, sweetheart, we seem to have misplaced your gift.
They forgot. No gift.
No surprise.
Just guilt.
That they forgot. Truly forgot. And they're so sorry.
My gift is that we're together.
We will make a handmade gift together every Christmas.
No matter what. Look how it sparkles.
It's beautiful.
We made it together.
It's not the gift they forgot, but the love they remembered. A perfect Christmas.